Hi everyone, Ian Aldridge here from Progressive Legal. Just talking about trademarks further. If you get a cease and desist letter, what do you do? This is it's a really serious thing. That's definitely the first part that you need to have a think about. I've got a letter from a lawyer or someone else saying to stop doing what we're doing in terms of the business and using somebody else's trademark or intellectual property. Step one, don't freak out. Step two, don't respond. We've had a lot of clients that respond far too quickly and without getting some legal advice about what can and usually is a very serious issue. So as soon as you've received a cease and desist letter, think very carefully about it. Look at what they're alleging. Gather some evidence, create a chronology if you can of the timeline of events, and seek out some advice as soon as possible. Don't delay, that's the other thing. Usually cease and desist letters require a response within a short amount of time, but don't respond directly. I would definitely seek legal advice as soon as possible so that you can have a considered legal response to that cease and desist. It's a really serious issue, and I just want to make you aware. Don't respond personally, don't freak out, don't panic, but do seek legal advice as soon as you possibly can. Even if you're a day or two out from the deadline, your lawyer can still write something to basically hold them off, send what's called a holding letter while they get instructions from you in order to properly respond. I've just had a lot of clients that in the past, I've seen a lot of correspondence where people have gone back very quickly and without thought and without getting legal advice and really put their foot in it, and then we're having to kind of clean up the mess afterwards. I hope that makes sense and helps you out in this time. I'm sure it's not a great feeling receiving one of these things, and there's a lot of uncertainty about it. So feel free to give me a call or email or go to the website and fill out an inquiry if you have received a cease and desist, or PM me in one of the Facebook or LinkedIn posts below.